All right, what's up everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to dress this ginormous tire. This happens to be a RV tire for a big RV rig, but it could be an RV, or it could be a big rig or an 18-wheeler or something like that. So what I'm going to show you is how to dress it so you can get an even coverage application. And so a couple tools: a sprayable tire dressing is going to be your friend here, and then also this green brush. You can find this on JIMBOdaily.com, and I'll link everything up in the show notes below. And the reason why you're going to want to use a brush like this is you're essentially going to be able to paint the tire. So I also haven't cleaned the rim yet, other than a pressure wash, because with the sprayable tire shine, the downside is that you're going to get some overspraying here, but it's going to be a way more efficient way to dress big tires like this. So where we're going to start is spraying. I always start to the outside because this is a commonly missed area right here. Another reason why we're going to use a brush is so you can fit it. Can't really see it. Let me move the camera down a little bit. So you can fit it into that edge, that lip down there. So let's see here. There we go. So you can fit it down under this lip. So I start on the outside of the tire, and as you can see, you're gonna get overspray places. So I haven't cleaned in here yet. I haven't even really quick detail sprayed any of the rig, but the tires are dry, so I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna work from the outer end of the tire to the inner, and I spray it pretty liberally. This client likes to have shiny tires, and shiny tires look nice on a rig. So once it's completely sprayed on, then I'm gonna go in, use the green brush, and evenly apply it. Now there's a lot of tire shine on here, so they're definitely not gonna wanna drive right away. And you could even follow up with a microfiber towel if you wanted to knock down the shine. But again, you could hit that bottom lip with this brush. And another nice part about this brush is the handle. So I'm not getting dirty from it. And you can just go around a few times until it stops running on the tires and stuff like that. I also recommend wearing gloves because it's a dirty area to be, so I don't like that. As you can see, it runs on the tire, on the letters a little bit, so that might be a good time to re-hit it with a microfiber towel. But honestly, it's in the sun here. That's it. I'm gonna let it dry. I'm gonna leave it how it is. It's gonna be non-flingy, and this tire, because it's a big rig tire, doesn't have the grooves and stuff up here anyway to fling down the side of the coach. Tires are also inset, so any spray that happens is going to be on this fender, so there's really nothing more to worry about. I'm going to touch up the tire, touch up the rim, touch up the rest of the coach, but that is how you can quickly and efficiently dress a big rig or a big RV tire using two products. Again, I'll link them below, but this brush is a huge lifesaver, way better than those foam block applicators, and that's how you can do it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe for more, and I'll catch you on the next one. See ya.